This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a bed liner, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Covert Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11514 Research Boulevard in Austin.